Hey y'all, it's Dar. Peace, love. I hope everybody's doing well. I just want to touch base with everybody today about the drones that have been seen flying over New Jersey, Pennsylvania, parts of New York State. Now, I'm in New York State and I haven't seen any drones, but apparently people have spotted them above parts of the state. I don't think it's anything to worry about. I believe that they're man made. I don't think it's from a foreign adversary because it would really be hard for them to come into our airspace undetected on radar. And they're very obvious. They fly low, they have red and green lights that are FAA regulated. That's what all airplanes have. So where they're from, I'm not sure. I'm assuming it's probably from, somebody like a FedEx or Amazon or Elon Musk testing something, testing new drones for deliveries. I don't know for sure. But I know there was one rumor going around that there's a mothership parked out in the ocean and that these drones are leaving from the mothership to American airspace. I really highly doubt that. And somebody said Iranian mothership. I don't think Iran has that capability. And I don't think they'd be stupid enough to do that because really, literally, we have the technology to blow these things out of the sky one by one. And we haven't done that yet. So I'm assuming our government doesn't feel that there's some type of adversary. So that being said, let's see what happens because they've been spotted for weeks now, and the government needs to figure it out and let us know. But I don't want you guys to be scared because they're not any type of ET that I'm pretty sure of. Because anything that's extraterrestrial moves at the speed of light, and these things are not moving that fast. And that being said, though, at some point we're going to have to prepare ourselves, come together as a nation, as a world, love one another, pray and meditate, because I promise you, the aliens are going to reveal themselves at some point in time. When that is, I don't know. I mean, they already are revealing themselves. There's been more sightings in the past couple of years than there's been since Roswell started. So there's a lot out there that is extraterrestrial. But I don't think they mean us any harm. We'll talk about that another time, though. I want you guys to have a great day. Peace out.